8-ball pool, one of the most downloaded games on the planet, built by a full studio at Miniclip. I'm going to see if AI can rebuild it from absolutely nothing. This is Richmond Labs. This is one prompt, and that's the entire instruction it gets. Watch this. Okay, so it's just going. Full table, all 15 balls, cushions, pockets, real 8-ball rules, solids, stripes, fouls, all of it. And look at this, it's testing its own game before showing me. Total build time? About as long as it takes to rack an actual pool table. And instead of just handing it over, it's testing its own build first, playing against itself. Show off. But here's the thing, I actually play pool, so I'm not just checking if it runs. I'm checking if it feels right. The aiming line, the power on the drag back, the way the balls come off the cushion, genuinely not bad. The physics are maybe a little forgiving compared to a real table. The balls slow down a bit too politely. But for a first attempt, with 0 corrections for me, I paid for worse games than this. Every bounce off the cushion, every pot smooth. Okay, time to make this interesting. But playing alone is just practice. The whole reason 8-ball pool took over the world is that you play against someone. So round 2, one sentence. Mechanics are perfect. Now give me AI opponents with difficulty modes. And yes, I spelled mechanics wrong. It's fine. The AI has seen worse. Think about what I'm actually asking for here. The AI now has to build another AI, one that can read the table, pick a target ball, calculate an angle, and choose exactly how hard it is. On hard mode, it should punish my mistakes. Let's see if it can build an opponent smarter than itself. Prompts in. Full transparency. I'm skipping the build wait for you. A few minutes in real life, and my opponent is born. It even built a menu I didn't ask for. Easy, medium, hard. Obviously, we're going hard. Alright, me versus hard mode. If I lose to a game that didn't exist an hour ago, we're never speaking of this again. Dry break. Nothing down. In my defense, I was nervous for both of us. Stripes are mine. And look at this, 1, 2, 3, back to back. The human is not going quietly. Corner pocket. Let the record show the human is winning.
Racing my own thoughts into the silence, seeking the guidance I forgot. It's somewhere lost
Oh, it can play. Look at that position. It's not just potting balls, it's thinking about the next shot. Oh, and it misses. Good to know it's not perfect. We're trading blows now. Every time I pot one, it answers. Now it's just clearing solids, like it wrote the physics engine. Which, fair enough, it did. Two solids left for the machine. One stripe left for me. This just got real. Down to the 8 Ball, a game I prompted into existence, and I'm genuinely nervous about a pool shot. Humanity survives for now, but here's what should worry Miniclip. One person, 2 prompts, 1 afternoon. Next episode, I'm cloning something bigger. Tell me what to clone in the comments, and subscribe because Richmond Labs is just getting started.